morning from Zagreb. I had to think there just for a moment. And it is a Sunday morning, quiet Sunday morning, with the exception of these cars coming up this like cobblestone road, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm just checked out of my Airbnb accommodations, and I thought that I would go check out a museum that my Airbnb host suggested called the Museum of Illusions. So I looked it up online, and it looks pretty cool. And you never know, when you're doing YouTube videos, you never know what's going to get, you know, the most views or hits, if you will, when people are searching for videos as they're traveling around the world. You got to excuse the camera; it's kind of flipping around on me a little bit. But anyway, so the Illusion Museum is only an 8-minute walk from where I'm staying. So I figured I'd just kind of take a walk down and check it out. And maybe I can turn the camera around here for you and give you a view. This is Zagreb on a Sunday morning, and it is I just can't say enough about Zagreb. You think of Croatia and you think of the beaches, you think of Split, Dubrovnik, and all those places, but boy, what a gem of a city here in Europe, Zagreb. The people are wonderful. The food is fantastic. No shortage of things to do, things to see, and you know, it's safe. Knock on wood, but it really is a nice place. So in fact, this is the restaurant that I had dinner at when I was here just a little while back. But anyway, so the Illusion Museum is just up around the corner, and we're going to go and see if we can't check it out. Christmas market is just around the corner as well, and I was at the Christmas market last night, and that was wonderful. That really was a special evening that I'll upload the video in just another week or so as I wrap up this trip to Europe. So here you can see the signs as far as where I'm located in the city. No shortage of museums and things to see here in Zagreb. Public transportation here is really fantastic. No problem getting around. You pay a few, I think, kuna for a ride, like a 30-minute ticket. But this is Zagreb, folks. Here it is, downtown Zagreb. And the Christmas market would be just up that way. But I'm not headed to the Christmas market. I am headed to the Illusion Museum. Look at the beautiful building right there. All right. I don't think it's but a few minutes up ahead, so we'll find it and see if we can't take a tour. All right, and as I had thought, the Museum Illusion, or the Illusion Museum, is open, and it's Sunday morning, just after 9 o'clock, and we'll go in and check this place out. It's supposed to be pretty cool, as I understand. So we're going to go in and just look at it. So here's the price list. Not all that expensive. You can see it's a 40 kuna. Divide that by 6. I think it's about $6 or something like that. So we'll go on in and see what there is to see, so to speak, here at the Illusion Museum. in Zagreb. So here's a. Ooh. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. You are on Tom TV. Oh, hello. So it's wonderful that you're open.
Yeah, we are open.
I'd like to come in and take a tour.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else here, or am I gonna?
You're all alone.
I'm all alone.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock, so nobody come yet.
Okay.
So.
Wonderful. Yeah. Well, let me show the. Can I do video?
Yeah, of course.
No problem at all, huh? All right. So here's the gift store as you walk in to the Illusion Museum. How do you say illusion in Croatian?
Iluzija.
Iluzija?
Iluzija.
Iluzija.
Yeah.
And museum?
Muzej iluzija.
Muze?
Iluzija.
Iluzija. Muze iluzija. Muze iluzija.
Muzej iluzija.
Muzej
You'll
iluzija.
get it.
I'll get it. Okay. So anyway, here's some of the stuff that you can pick up here at the museum. They got a lot of different things. Well, I'm not going to be the only one here. There's some other folks coming in as I speak. So let's go inside and check this place out. All right, let the tour begin. And who knows what we're going to see in here, but we'll check it out. Here you have a lot of Einstein things. These are like holograms, if you will, and I don't know how well this will come out actually on the video, but boy, this actually follows you. If you can see that, he's just following me. Now I'm going to come back over. You see, Albert's just checking me out. All of them are checking me out, as a matter of fact. Wow, look at this. I'm going to zoom out, and I don't know if you can see this, but as I turn, Albert turns. The whole wall turns and checks me out. Wow, that's really cool. Now this here is, so they're gonna put one person over there. I think they're gonna put one person over there, and this is gonna give you some type of an illusion. Let's see if we can capture this on film. You can see me in the mirror there. Now somebody's gonna. Okay. There you have it. Okay. So you see, you got the little girls there. Uh-huh. And the boy sitting over there like he's sitting on the chair. Uh-huh, exactly. Okay. So you can see the illusion. Okay. They're trying to get a nice picture from back here. There you go. So there's the illusion. Okay. So they have all types of holograms. Here is a well, it was lit up there. You got the new birth. If you can see that. I don't know how well these are going to come out on a video camera, but nonetheless. Now here is a. I saw this in a lot of the things here. You see, I think you put your head over here. Maybe we'll get the young lady to do this for me. Can you? So I go in there.
Just behind the wall there is a hole.
Behind the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Hello.
Okay, talk about a head on a platter, huh? Look
Yeah.
at this. Pretty cool. All right. Let's, oops. Okay, so there's one of the illusions. Thank you. So, and They got all types of, here's a magic box. Look into the magic box from both sides. Do you see the difference? Okay, I don't know if we're gonna look into the magic box from both sides. So, let's see. Whoa. Now that's interesting. You see a pyramid here, but then you come back over here and you see a box. Quite interesting indeed. All right, so let's continue on. Here is a what is this? This is a magic prism. What to do? Look into the prism. Now step back and look inside from a greater distance. Okay, so I don't know if we'll be able to, let's give this a try here. We're gonna look here. Okay. Now we're gonna look back from a greater distance. Okay, let's go back. Whoops. Okay, something like that. All right, so let's continue on. I wish you could see these holograms. Well, maybe you can. Look at the Hands of Hope hologram there. See an older pair of hands with the younger pair of hands. Okay, and now we'll continue on the tour, and I don't quite know where to go next. Is there more upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Lots more upstairs. So let's go and check out the upstairs of the Illusion Museum. And they have spots on the floor where you can take pictures. Let's see. There's a spot here. I think people would go and stand inside. Pretty cool. Whoa. I don't know how this looks, but alright. I can actually see myself up on the on the monitor that they have here. And they have different games that you can spend some time playing. There's some things up on the wall. My pulsating, the heart in the middle of this picture looks as though it's floating above the background, pulsating and expanding. Move your head and see the inner circle moving and floating. I don't know if we'll be able to capture that, but maybe you can. All right. What do they have? Hello. Oh, look at this. We're like sideways or something. Whoa. You see, something like that. All right. Nice place for kids to come and play some games. What do they have here? This is the infinity room. Okay. Just when you thought you couldn't get enough of Tom. And there's plenty of me to go around here. Look at that. I think you actually close the door here. There you go. All right. There you go. Wow, there's quite a few of me to go around here. Look at this. All right. Let's go back. Here's a, not sure what to make of this. Let's see. Swap noses. Stand on the opposite side of the mirror and align your face. Now see how you look with a different nose. Okay. Will you hold this for me? Hold. Here. Yeah. I have a young lady. Oh, good. You see? Okay. One moment. Okay, let's see. All right, I don't know how it looks, but maybe. We'll see. All right. Thank you. Okay. And then they have different illusions here that you can look at. Okay, folks. So there is all right, I think that's the Illusion Museum. I'm not mistaken. So have a wonderful day from Zagreb. Let's see. Maybe they can get them to take a picture of me inside this room here. This is the. Could you take a photo of me? Can you hold this?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Just like that, and look there.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know how this looks, but there you go. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, folks. So there you have the Illusion Museum in Zagreb. Hope you enjoyed the visit. And now for me, it's on to Ljubljana. Have a wonderful day.